सरस्वती भगवती सरस्वती भगवती सरस्वती भगवती सरस्वती भगवती सरस्वती भगवती सरस्वती भगवती।
අපේ කම, අපේ රට, අපේ සංස්කෘතිය, අපේ ඉතිහාසය, අපේ ඓතිහාසික සිදුවීම් මේ සියල්ලක්ම ලෝකයා හමුවේ තැබිය හැකි සුවිශේෂී අගනා අවස්ථාවක් හැටියට අප කියන golden opportunity නැත්නම් රත්තරන් අවස්ථාවක් හැටියට මේ පොදු රාජ්‍ය මණ්ඩල රාජ්‍ය නායක සමුළුව සහ ඊට සමගාමීව පැවැත්වෙන මේ සුවිශේෂී උත්සව මාලාව සංවිධානය කරන්න හැටියට අපට පැහැදිලි කරන්න පුළුවන්. එතනම හිතවතුනි දැන් මේ සියල්ලත් සමගම මේ උත්සව මාලාවේ කූට ප්‍රාප්තිය බවට පත්වන්නේ නදීම් රාජ්‍ය නායක සමුළුව. රාජ්‍ය නායක සමුළුව ලබන 15 වනදා උදෑසන කොළඹ නෙළුම් පොකුණ ඒ අතිවිශාල රංගශාලාව ඇතුළත පවත්වන්නට සියල්ල කටයුතු සූදානම් කර තිබෙනවා. අපි කැමති ලෝකයේත් එක්ක සංසන්දනය කරද්දී පොදු රාජ්‍ය මණ්ඩලයට තිබෙන සුවිශේෂත්වය පිළිබඳව ජාත්‍යන්තර මාධ්‍ය බොහෝ දුරට පරිශීලනය කරන්න කැඩි ඔබෙන් දැනගන්න.
Roshan, the Commonwealth, the Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting, as you mentioned, will be starting on the 15th at the Nilum Pokuna Mahinda Rajapaksa International Theatre here in Colombo. The opening ceremony will be held there. Sessions will subsequently be held at the BMICH in Colombo. The Commonwealth, of course, is a collective of former British colonies. yes, the empire on which the sun never set. And now, even now, it has changed. The Commonwealth has changed from that. We'll cross over now to the Galle Fort, where we believe
අපට
we
පුළුවන්
have another address coming.
Honorable members of the clergies, His Excellency Mahinda Rajapaksa, President of the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka, His Excellency Kamlesh Sharma, Secretary General of the Commonwealth Secretariat, Sir Anand Sadhyanand, Chair of the Commonwealth Foundation, Honorable Delegates of Commonwealth, Honorable Ministers present here, invited dignitaries, organizing committee members of the Commonwealth People's Forum, and the fellow civil society delegates from Commonwealth countries. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the organizing committee of the Commonwealth People's Forum, of the Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting 2013, hosted by the Consortium of Sri Lankan Civil Society Organization with the support of the Government of Sri Lanka, I warmly welcome all of you for this forum that will take place over the next 4 days. As a community development worker from the northern province of Sri Lanka during the last 2 decades, it is an honor and a privilege for me to be here with you today at this forum. In keeping with the tradition of the biannual Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting, CPF 2013 will do its best to positively influence the post-2015 development agenda of all Commonwealth countries and of the entire global community. Commonwealth People's Forum 2013 will share this year's Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting theme, Growth, Equity and Inclusive Development, and will focus on the post-2015 development agenda framework. Commonwealth People's Forum is a major occasion available for civil societies across the Commonwealth countries to collectively engage with government heads and policymakers on global development issues. We are certain that this forum and its 4 days agenda will offer an independent platform to diverse civil society groups from the Commonwealth countries to bring up their development issues, challenges, and perspective in order to influence and shape the post-2015 development agenda framework. The next 4 days will also provide opportunity to build partnership of learning and networking among development actors, researchers, academics, and policymakers from a wide spectrum of Commonwealth communities. We, the civil society organization in Sri Lanka, with the support of our government, are eager to partner with the Commonwealth community to facilitate and advance this partnership to meet the development challenges of Sri Lanka. We encourage you to continue to establish and strengthen partnership with the Government of Sri Lanka, local government, Sri Lankan civil societies, youth, business community and academics that will help us to effectively address the gaps in the development agenda. Finally, I sincerely hope that this forum will inspire to actively engage in dialogue and discover creative, innovative solutions to our development problems. We appreciate your readiness to use your energy and potential during the next 4 days to make our societies better with everlasting peace and harmony. I wish you fruitful deliberation and thank you for your kind attention. Thank you.